Welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Michael Myers. So first let's get started on the left hand side for our eye. And we're going to curve this line around. And we're going to arch this back in, bringing that further up on the side. We're going to leave a gap. We're going to come across on the right, lining that up at the same height. And we're just going to replicate that, drawing that at the same size. And now moving in, we're just going to color that part in black. Now let's move up above. We're going to curve this line up and over towards the right. We're going to move over above our left eye, and we're just going to replicate that, bringing that across. In the center here, we're just going to draw in a small curved line. For the mouth, we're going to arch this line up in the center, back down on the right. Let's move across underneath. On the left, we're going to curve this line out. We're going to step over, replicating that on the right. And now let's frame in the head. So on the top left, we're going to curve this line around, up and over. Let's draw in the face now. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around. We're going to flatten that out as we come down beside the eye. And then we're going to replicate that on the right. So again, we're going to curve this around and down, and we're just going to end that at roughly the same height. Let's close this off on the bottom. So for the cheek, we're going to round that out, curving that around and in towards the middle, flattening that out. And then we're going to do the same on the right, curving this around and back in, blending that together. Let's draw in the ears. We're going to draw in a half circle on the left-hand side. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now on the top here, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then moving underneath, we're just going to draw in a small curved line, arching down towards the bottom. Let's draw in the details for the hair. In the center here, we're going to curve this line up and out towards the left. We're going to move over on the right, curving this over and through towards the top. Let's step across on the right-hand side, curving this over and up. And now let's draw in the rest of the hair. So on the right-hand side here, we're going to curve this line out towards the top left. And then from that point, we're going to curve this over and across towards the right. From that point up above, we're going to arch this line down. We're going to do the same as we curve this in on the right. Let's come over on the left-hand side now. We're going to arch this line out and then down. Let's move across again, and we're going to curve this line up, bring that back around and in. Now let's move over on the left-hand side, curving this out, back in. And then we're going to arch this line out, down and across, again, bringing that in on the side. Let's step underneath, arching this out, back in. We're going to move down, replicating that, just making that bigger. And then again, one more time, just making that one slightly smaller, bringing that in towards the ear. We're going to follow this underneath. We're going to curve this line out, bring that back in. And then from that point, we're going to bring this out towards the right and in towards the chin. Let's step over on the right-hand side now. We're going to curve this line out. From that point, bringing that back in. Now from here, we're going to bring this line down and over, back through. Now from that point again, we're going to curve this line out and across towards the side. And then from that point, we're going to bring that back up. Now from that point, let's bring this line across towards the side. And then from here, we're just going to curve this line back in towards the ear. Now again, let's curve this line out and then in towards our ear. Let's follow the hair underneath. So we're going to curve this line out and then back in towards the middle. And then we're just going to curve this line down towards the center, and then from that point, bringing that back up. Let's draw in the body now. So we're going to come over for the shoulder and we're going to curve that line out on the left. We're going to do the same thing on the right. We're going to step down on the left-hand side for the torso, and we're going to curve this all the way down towards the bottom for the leg. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, lining that up at the same height, and we're just going to replicate that. Let's close off the arm. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. We're going to step across on the right-hand side and replicate that. For the wrist, we're going to curve this in towards the side of the body. And we're just going to step up, replicating that again. Let's move across in towards the center here. We're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now from the middle, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, and we're just going to end that at the same height as the line on the outside. Now underneath, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right to close off the legs. And then moving up, we're just going to close that off with another curved line. Now from here on the top, we're going to curve this line in towards the center. We're going to do the same thing on the right, joining that in the middle. On the right hand side, we're going to extend this line out slightly. And then we're going to bring this line straight down in the center. Let's draw on the collar now. So we're going to curve this line down and in on both sides. And then we're going to bring this line out and then back down towards the middle. And then on the right hand side, again, just bringing this line straight down towards the bottom. Moving up in towards the center now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to drop down again, replicating that. Let's move underneath for the pocket, and we're just going to curve this line out on both sides. Let's close off the shoulder. So from this line, we're going to arch this line out towards the top. We're going to draw in the line for the shirt here. So we're just going to curve this line across slightly. Let's move down for the pockets. So we're basically just going to draw in a big square on the left-hand side. And then we're going to basically just move across on the right-hand side and just replicate that. Let's draw in the pocket on the top. So we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes across. And now let's draw in some more details here. So we're just going to draw in two small curved lines that come out on both sides. And now let's draw on the hands. So on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and up. Moving over, we're going to replicate that, making that slightly longer. And then one more time, we're just going to arch this line around and in towards the side. Let's come across on the left-hand side for the thumb. We're going to curve this up and over. We're going to draw on the knife here. So we're going to draw on a diagonal line coming out on the left. From that point, we're going to curve this around and out. Let's draw a straight line coming up. And then we're just going to draw on another diagonal line coming in towards the hand. Now from here for the top of the hand, we're just going to curve this up towards the wrist there. Now let's draw in the shoe. So we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down on both sides. Underneath, we're going to curve this line around and in on the side. And we're going to do the same thing on the left. Let's close off the sole of the shoe now. So we're going to curve this line around and through. And then on the top, we're going to arch this line down. Same on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Michael Myers. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.